Express 2,940 and 7,056 as products of their prime factors and evaluate 2940 over the square root of 7056.
Hey math champs, it's Miss Becca, your favorite math tutor. So, grab your pen, your jotter, and maybe a snack. Let's solve some problems together.
So we have 2940 and then we have 2 here. So for us to express this as a product of its prime, then we have 2 here, we have 1470, 2 here 7 times, 3 and 5. 2 cannot go again, so we try 3. 3 will go here, 2, 4, 5. 3 cannot go again, let's try 5. 5 will go here, 4 remainder 4 and then 9, then 7 7 7 1. Then the second one is 7056. We use 2, we have 3 5 2 8. We have 2, we have 1 7 6 4. Then we have 2, we have 8 8 2 3. Then we have 4 4 1. Then let's try, no, we have 2. 2 will go here, 2 4 4 1. Then 2 cannot go again, then we can try 3. We have 2 here, 2 2 2, yes. Then we have 3 now, 3 here, 1 in 14. 4 times remainder 2, then 7. Then we can try 3 again. 3 will go here, 4 and 9. Then we have 7 7 and then 1.
Do you need personalized help? Click the link in the description to message me directly.
Now let's do this. Before we put them together, let's first find the square root of 7056. That will give us the square root of 2 raised power 4, 1 2 3 4, times 3 raised power 2 times 7 raised power 2. So that means square root of 2 square times 2 square times 3 square times 7 square. That means we can split it further to say square root of 2 square. I just want to use this one to explain. And then square root of 7 square. Yes, square will cancel square, because if you say 2 times 2, that's 4. Square root of 4 will give us 2. So we have 2 times 2. Same thing, 3 times 3, 9. Square root of 9 will give us 3. So here now we have 2 raised power 2 times 3 times 7. So we can now put it together. Then we'll be having, this one is 2 raised power 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 raised power 2. So we have 2 raised power 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 raised power 2 all over 2 raised power 2 times 3 times 7. So now we can divide. If we want to divide now, 2 square will cancel 2 square. So this one is gone. 3 will cancel 3. This one is gone. Then we'll be having, what are we going to have left? 5 times, we have 2 7 here and 1 7 here. That will be 5 times 7. So in we are leaving it as prime factors. So 2940 over square root of 7056 will be equals to 5 times 7. It's your turn. So solve these two questions and leave your answers in the comments. The first one, you have to write down all the prime factors of 30. Then you arrange them in ascending order to form a new number. That is, if the prime factors of 30 are 5, 7, 9, so you write them together as 579. That is a new number. Then what is the product of the prime factors? So each of the factors, you now multiply them. That will be 5 times 7 times 9. I'm even teaching you what to do. The second one, find the prime factors of 84. List them without repetition. That is, if 2 appears 2 times, if 2 appears 3 times, or it appears 4 times, just write 2. Write 2 once. Don't write 2, 2, 2. Just write 2, then move to the next number. Then find the sum of the prime factors. Then you now add them together.
That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.